What's the meaning of compound fracture? Compound fracture. Compound fracture.
Compound fracture. Compound fracture. A compound fracture is a medical condition in which a bone breaks and protrudes through the skin. This type of fracture is particularly dangerous as it increases the risk of infection and can cause severe pain and bleeding. The result of a compound fracture can be the inability to move or use the affected limb, permanent disability, or even death if left untreated. Immediate medical attention is necessary in order to properly treat a compound fracture, often requiring surgery and a prolonged recovery time.